ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनल स्किमीचो गोंयभर बोवाळ पडला। ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनलांचो अतिरेक जाता म्हूण शिरोड्या, वास्को, कंगुटे सारकेल्या वाठारांनी लोक एकठांय जावन कायदो हातांत घेवंक पावलो। फक्त पयशे जोडूंक स्कीम म्हूण लोकांचो बोवाळ। पुलीस म्हणटा स्कीम केल्या बेशिस्तांक शिस्त लावंक।
Some people have come, they say that government wants to earn revenue. We are not the revenue generating agency. Our basic idea of implementing this traffic sentinel is to inculcate some road discipline. Of course, we do also do some educative program. We do it is a continuous process. The basic idea of this implementing the scheme is promoting community policing, promote active participation of citizens to report certain type of traffic violation, create road safety awareness, and you are aware that we can't post policemen at each and every corner.
अवघ्या कांय म्हयन्यांनी ही स्कीम बरीच पॉप्युलर जाला। ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनलांचो आंकडो 6,000 तेंकला।
We have around 5,834 traffic sentinels enrolled. We have booked around 71,162 cases, and notices generated is around 2,01,296 as on date. Violations have been more than 7 lakhs violations have been recorded last year in 2018.
सेंटिनलांचेर हात घालतल्यांचेर FIR म्हूण आतां सगळ्या पुलीस स्टेशनांक फर्मान।
If anybody has having some problem with the scheme, they can very well come to us, discuss, and no way we are going to spare all these people. We have registered cases, all the cases have been registered as a cognizable cases. In some cases, arrests have also been made, and they will be charge sheeted. Instead of paying, going and compounding, they are assaulting the traffic sentinels, and instructions have already gone to all the police stations to register the cases against these violators, against these persons who indulge in violence.
काँग्रेस म्हणटा स्किमूच बंद करपाची। ट्युरिस्टांक वता वता थंय पिट्टात म्हूण आमदार मायकलूय बोवाळ मारतालो। आतां राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीची भर। सेंटिनलांक लागून खंय पुलीस आळशी जाल्यात।
बरे जे सेंटिनल जे आहाय जाल्यार ते लिपोन फोटो कित्याक काडटाय? आयज हे लिपोन फोटो काडून हे कितें करूं पूण चिंता। पूण जेन्ना तुमी इम्प्लिमेंट केला तेन्ना तुमी एक मनी मेकींग रॅकेट कशें केला। आयज जे कोण सेंटिनल जो कोण आहाय तेणी उमकी एक टार्गेट अशी दवरल्या की आयज हांव 1,000 फोटो काडटलो। एक काम करा, हीच स्कीम पुलिसांक दिया आनी सर्टन कमिशन पुलिसांक दिया। पुलिसांक पूण कमिशन दिया तांकां पॉयंट, बाबा तुवें इतलें केलें चल हेजेर पूण कितेंय कर।
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे आनी विक्रम नायक।